Right, just realized this was off. That's why I was making some funny noises. So that's the reason why I decided to check my engine. I'm gonna clean it. I was told that you're supposed to clean this like at least once a year. So I'll be doing that right now. Alright, this is where this filter goes. So I have this connector, or I won't say connector, but it holds the thing in place, and I put it this way on this, and I believe this end goes over here. Connects the two. Just doing some car maintenance. Installed my Warrior R air filter thingy. Now I just added some windshield fluid. We'll see how low or if it empties. I try to plug as much holes. Put tape here earlier and I'm not sure why it's leaking. I tried to feel the bottom and I couldn't find a hole, so we'll see how long it lasts. Taking advantage of this nice fall weather, doing some car maintenance.